This is how to mount the Raspberry Pi case on the little bracket. So this bracket can swivel, and it has a little knob down here which opens and closes the jaws sort of like a vise. You're going to want these little ports to go on the bottom. So you'll have it open enough to hold the Pi loosely. You want to make sure it's all the way flat on the back here and not tipping forward. So I found the best way to do that is just to hold it with the Pi kind of laying flat, and then gravity will keep it in the right spot. And then you just tighten this little lever up and it will squeeze onto the Pi. You don't need to make this super tight either. It has little foam pads. So as long as it's not flopping around in there, you should be plenty good.
And the mic?
Sure, yeah, the mic screws onto this little bolt right here. It has a threaded hole on the bottom of the stand. And so the whole mic will just swivel on here. And then you'll just spin it around until it's snug and give it a little twist so it doesn't flop around as well. And that's all there is to it.
Great.